year, I'm planning for the things to wrap up 5th grade, move into 6th grade, and today I want to share with you my latest homeschool haul. Now, I found things on Amazon, Book Outlet, Christian Book, and Facebook. Today, I want to show you what we will be using in the next few months. First up is Facebook. If you do not check out the Facebook Marketplace, the Homeschool used curriculum swaps, I highly encourage you to do so because you can find some great deals there. We have Eat Your Way Around the World. Focuses on recipes from the different continents. Additionally, you have how to serve a meal there. The recipes do look to be fairly simple and straightforward. Also, I found these 2-sentence diagramming workbooks from Critical Thinking. Currently, we are using IEW for our grammar, but they do not include diagramming, and it is something that my daughter really likes and I really like, so I wanted to incorporate it. From Christian Book, we got this new devotional. We loved Indescribable, so I was so excited to find out that there is a new devotion by the same author focusing on science. So each devotion is set up where you have the passage, a short devotion, then explains a scientific fact that relates back to the devotion, and then you have your confession. Each devotion is a very short 2 pages, one spread on each devotion, and this contains 100 more devotions about God and science. Bible maps then and now. Set up with these overlays. So for example, you can see what the area looked like during Bible times, and then cover it with the overlay and see what it looks like now. Heroes Tales, family treasury of true stories from the lives of Christian heroes. You have a number of different heroes, including Harriet Tubman, John Wesley, Dwight L. Moody. Each of the stories are rather short. Amazon recently had their buy 2, get 1 free sale. We purchased Hatchet by Gary Paulson. Hatchet is a Newbery Honor book. This is a chapter book that focuses on a 13-year-old boy who has crashed his single-engine plane. And so he is stuck in the Canadian wilderness with nothing but the hatchet that his mother has given him. If you like videos like this, please give us a thumbs up. I had little Pilgrims Progress in my cart for a long time, so when I found it on the 3 for 2 sale, I went ahead and purchased it. I'm wanting to introduce my daughter to Pilgrims Progress in a fun way, and I hope that this will do the trick. My friend Megan from Pennies and Salt recommended this series. I have never read it, and so we're giving it a chance. We have heard great things about these chapter books, and I am very excited to dig in. This is recommended for ages 8 to 12, and there are 4 in the series. They all are set up in chapter format, and they're all about the same length. Additionally, with this box set comes this great puzzle poster. If you aren't yet subscribed, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Hilo, the Boy Who Crashed to the Earth, is a graphic novel. And Wings of Fire. This is the first of the Wings of Fire series. I also found the Giver Quartet from Lois, Lowry. So you have The Giver, Gathering Blue. These are all chapter books. Messenger, and then Sun. Also, it includes a map where we can discuss where things are happening. From Book Outlet, we have a book set of Stick Dog. Stick Dog is just a fun set. My daughter loves these books. They are really good story with kind of bad drawings. These are so much fun to read, and we have Stick Dog 1 and then Stick Dog 2. Stick Dog wants a hot dog. The Ultimate Brain Bender Activity Book. Goofy games, crazy quizzes, and peculiar puzzles, and more. 1960s Fashions to Color. I thought this would be just a fun one to do while we are studying the 60s and all of the different pop culture within the 60s. We are studying Spanish, so I wanted to get a couple of books that are written in Spanish as a way to reinforce what we are doing. So I have this board book for I Love My Mommy Because, the Spanish version. And then I also found Little Roja Riding Hood, which is a Spanish version of Little Red Riding Hood. So you have some Spanish and then some English. This is the same way that our Spanish curriculum is set up. So it's something that my daughter is used to, and I wanted to help reinforce our Spanish vocabulary. Puzzlelopedia, over 200 different puzzles, mind-bending, brain-teasing word games and puzzles. What's the big deal about elections? This is a small hardback. I got it just so that we have something to reinforce some of the things that we're learning in civics. Horrible Histories, Top 50s Kings and Queens. This shows us just a fun look at 50 kings and queens and why they are included in the top 50 most horrible. You can see what they're famous for, what their foul fact is, a potty poem about some of them. This is just meant really to be a fun book to reinforce some information. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in another book haul, please check here.